Border Point Lodge in Crosslake, Minnesota. Come take a walk through this gorgeous property with me. Rated as the #1 Airbnb vacation rental in Crosslake, Minnesota, this place did not disappoint. And it's nestled just outside of Crosslake, right on a private lake. Definitely my favorite part of the house. August 14th, 2023. Our stay at Border Point Lodge. While I was waiting for my family to arrive, I headed over to Reed's to grab some items for dinner. It's taco night. I was so excited to see the kids' faces and reactions to this place because it's always fun and a new adventure when we go somewhere. This one was pretty fun. They were really happy and excited about the bunk beds. We had everything laid out for them before they got there. After getting settled in, we had tacos and a campfire, and we got to spin some fire. And while I was spinning fire, the kids and dad took out the boat, and it was a lot of fun. Every year I like to challenge myself with a new skill, and this year is fire poi. The next morning, we made a good cup of coffee and went out on the pontoon to try to catch some fish. Peanut was super excited. It's not a huge lake, but definitely there was some activity there, so we were pretty excited when we got one on the hook. We had a really nice time, and I highly recommend this place. Go check them out.